Capture clear details in full high definition. Arlo's Essential security camera records video in 1080p for a clear picture and see more of your property thanks to the wide 130 viewing angle. Coverage from every corner, fast, wireless setup. The Essential Spotlight surveillance security cameras deliver increased installation flexibility to get the perfect camera view. See more at night. See important features like faces or license plates in full color at night, with color night vision to make these outdoor security cameras the perfect cameras for home security. Smarter alerts, quicker action. Receive notifications from your home security cameras for people, vehicles, and packages so you can take quick action such as sound the siren, call a friend or dial emergency services, with the included Arlo Secure Trial. Respond quickly. Hear and speak to visitors at your with clear, two-way audio and can be easily used as a baby monitor with camera and audio, nanny cam, and pet camera. 100% wireless design. Simplify your home security system by utilizing Arlo's Wi-Fi camera capability to connect directly to your Wi-Fi for fast, wire-free installation with no hub required. Weather-resistant outdoor camera for year-round security. The wireless camera is certified and tested to withstand the toughest conditions in heat, cold, rain, or sun. Simple to set up. Easy to recharge. Easily place your wireless indoor and outdoor security camera on a shelf or screw it onto a wall. Works seamlessly with your smart home. This home camera works as an Amazon Alexa device, Google device, Apple HomeKit device and Samsung SmartThings device. Arlo Secure includes a trial of Arlo Secure for 30-day cloud recording, advanced object detection, rich notifications, cloud activity zones and more. After 3 months, subscription plans start at $2.99 per month for a single camera. Top reviews from the United States. Paired perfectly with existing hub. The camera was very easy to install and integrate with my home Wi-Fi network and existing hub, using the Arlo Android app. In fact, the Wi-Fi setup was incredibly easy. Picture quality at the 2K setting is excellent in daylight and good enough at night, although I may add an extra light source. I also purchased and installed the companion Wasserstein solar panel. It only gets a few hours of direct sunlight per day, but based on my other cameras and solar panels, that will be plenty enough to keep the camera charged up.